So the nucleons arrangement in the nucleons arrangement in the nucleus. So suppose if we have what we call some problem, means the suppose if you are going to distribute the nucleons nucleons, if you want to distribute, then you have to take that orbits n is equal to 0. It is L is equal to 0. So this is s orbital. N is equals to 1. L is equals to 1. It's a p. So that is why I can write n is equals to n comma n minus 2 and so on. So if I write here n is equals to 2, if I write n is equals to 2, then L is equals to 2 comma 2 minus 2. N is equals to 3. If I write L is equals to 3 minus 2 comma 1. So 3 comma 3 minus 2. So then L is equal to what happened? 3 comma 1. Now if you understand, so here D will start, here F will start. So I can write here S is equal to 0, P is equal to 1, D is equal to 2, F is equal to 3. That's why here we got 3. So 3. 1 means what? P. So this is F comma P. So next, here n is equal to 2 means D comma S. Next, if you take n is equal to 4 nucleon orbits, you take, then L is equals to 4 comma 4 minus 2. 4 comma 4 minus 2. So and 2 minus 2. So I can get 4 means G. Next 4 minus 2, 2. 2 means I can write D. So D. So next I can write 2 minus 2 means 0 is equal to 0. So yes, GDS orbitals. If I write n is equals to 5, L equals to, I can write 5 comma 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 comma next 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Then here if you take L is equal to 5, n is equal to 5, L is equal to 5 comma 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So L is equal to 5 means H, 5 minus 2 means 3, 3 means it is F, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 1 means P. Now L is equal to 6, 6 means I, 6 minus 2 means 4, 4 means G, 4 minus 2 means D, 2 minus 2 means yes. Like this we are getting, because these numbers are, because S is equal to 0, X, P is equal to 1, D is equal to 2, F is equal to F is equal to 3, G is equal to 4. So H is equal to 5, I is equal to 6. This number you have to remember to write this. Okay. Now we are distributing this orbitals. Here it is distributed already. You can see it. N is equal to 0 means S orbital, L is equal to 0. It is 1s of spin. N is equal to 1 means P is equal to 1. It is again divided into 2, 1P, 1 by 2, 1P, 3 by 2. Next N is equal to 2. 2 means 2 comma 2 minus 1. I can write here from this formula 2. N is equal to 2 comma 2. 2 minus 2. 0. So S. So it is coming in between this and this. Means in between D2 orbits. These two orbits between that one is coming. Okay. Next means here the name of second overlapping is present. Next we want to check it once again. N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 means N minus, you can write here, N is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 3 means F. 3 minus 2 means P. So 1 means P. So 3 is divided into 2 types. 1F and 1F. 1F is 1 by 2, 1F 5 by 2. It is P is equals to P value here 1. So it is divided again 2 types. It is merging with F in between F. The third level also overlapping is happening in between these two P and F. So P is equal to 3 by 2 and another P, second time it is coming, that's a 2P, 3 by 2, 2P off we are getting. Okay. Now fourth onwards overlapping will not be there. 4 to 5 no overlapping exists. 4 and 5 doesn't have any overlap except 4 and 5. Remaining above also we can get overlap, but the thing is 4 and 5 we can get overlap. So you can write here N is equal to 4, S is equals to, N is equal to 4 means 4 comma 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. 2 means D. Okay. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 means yes. So here we can get G. It is G. 4 means G. D. Yes, we are getting. So all are G is separate, D is also separate, S is also separate. So no overlapping exists in the case of 4. Now come to fifth one. Here also no overlapping exists. N is equals to 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 means F. So F is there. Next 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So 1 means P. So P is there. So here also H is not overlapping. F is not overlapping. P is not overlapping. So they are getting separate. So here you have to understand, for 0 means S, 1 means P, 2 means D, 3 means F, 4 means G, 5 means H, 6 means I. Like this you have to get it. So here the distribution, here it starts 1 by 2, it starts 3 by 2, it starts 5 by 2, it starts 7 by 2, it starts 9 by 2, it starts 11 by 2. Its dots 13 by 2. So like this you can get it. So and that's why if you look at here, h is 9 by 2. You can see h is 11 by 2. So you can see it 11 by 2 dots. So it becomes what? Minus 1 by 2. It becomes what? Minus 1. So 11 by 2 minus 1 means 9 by 2 are getting. So like this it is going to decrease. Two values only. Each S, P, D, F, G, H, I can split only two suborbitals. Two suborbitals only they can split. See that these are two orbits. It is able to split 1 and 2. This is also two orbits. This is also two orbit. But only S is having single orbit. This is only single orbit. So 1 is there, the 2 electrons. 3 is there, 4 electrons. 1 is there, 2 electrons. So 2 nucleons. So here 5 is there, 6 nucleons. 1 is there, 2 nucleons. 3 is there, 4 nucleons. 7 is there, 8 nucleons. 3 is there, 4 nucleons. 5 is there, 6 nucleons. 1 is there, 2 nucleons. 9 is there, 10 nucleons. Like this it can accommodate the 10 nucleons. 7 is there, 8 nucleons. 5 is there again, 6 nucleons. 3 is there, 4 nucleons. 1 is there, 1 by 2 is there, so 2 nucleons. Again 1 by 2 is there, 2 nucleons. So 11 by 2 is there. So 11 by 2 means 12. So this 11 means 12. 1 means 2. 3 means 4. 5 means 6. 5 means 6. 7 by 2 means 8. 9 by 2 means 10. 1 by 2 means 2. 5 by 2 means 6. 3 by 2 means 4. 7 by 2 means 8. Like this it is going to be accommodated.